Hey, what's up, guys? Mark here. Just a quick update. I got my stuff in from my sponsor right there. Thank you, Heath, Cody, Jeremy. Thank everybody there at Cal RC. The Maintenance King. So if anybody needs any RC stuff to clean up, it does a fantastic job. I don't know if you can see the plastic here, but it does a fantastic job. I had this out in the kind of in the mud, not really mud, but it was dirty, and as you can see, it's pretty clean. I hit something pretty hard right there, but that stopped it. So but yeah, but I got all my stuff in. I got the Moo Clean or Motor Clean electronic cleaner, and this right here works fantastic. Moo Slick. It's an RC silicone protectant. It forms on dry. It repels dirt. Ideal for all exposed gears, repels corrosion and dirt, great for suspension parts. And Moo Slick. I love that cow. And then I got my mat here, the pit mat to work on, and it's got the like part holder, screws, nuts, bolts right here, and then I can just slide that back on there. And then it's got a littler one right here. And I can just put that back. And this right here is a magnet. They've got a magnet mat just like this, that if you drop a screw, it sticks to it, so you ain't got to worry about it. And this is the parts and chassis wash spray. Like, they've got a new improved formula. And I haven't tried it yet because I haven't really got nothing dirty, but I'm sure it works well. And the Good Udder Butter. This goes into your transmission parts. It's a waterproof grease. That's what this is also, except it's like in a syringe. But this is the products that Cal RC has. So, and of course this is just some barren stuff from another place, but yeah, they are my sponsors, and this is ready. It's ready to go. Got my cooling fan for the motor. Got everything wired up. Got my M12S on this car now. And of course I got my two batteries, my 7800 milliamp 100C and my 8200 milliamp 120C. Man, I charged this up last Sunday or last Saturday night. I ran this all day Sunday. And then Jamie ran this one in his for a while, a long time as well. So, but yeah, it's getting there. It's getting everything together. Got new pinions and all that in it, and it's ready to go. So, he's ready. But, yeah, sorry about the mess, y'all. This is it's my work table, and, I used to take this with me, but I don't no more. I'm gonna have to find another place. I mean, because I got cars here, there, and, yeah, I gotta find a bigger place. But anyway, and my table's messing up for some reason. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's like it's bending down right there or something, but I don't know. But anyway, guys, we'll talk to y'all later, and yeah, just showing you what was going on here, and I got my stuff in from Cal RC. Great job, guys. Thank you for helping me out. And like I said, if you need any maintenance stuff for your RC products, go to www.calrc.com. They are the maintenance king. And once again, we'll talk to y'all later. And y'all have a great day and a good weekend. It's June 1st, 2018. Talk to y'all later.